Transform your home. Indian modular kitchen ideas. Welcome to a world of elegance and functionality with modular kitchens designed in true Indian style. Let's explore some stunning ideas to transform your cooking space. Traditional Indian kitchens are known for their vibrant colors and intricate designs. Incorporate bold hues like deep reds, royal blues, and bright yellows to make your kitchen pop. Utilize classic Indian motifs like paisleys, elephants, and floral patterns on cabinet doors or backsplash tiles. These timeless designs add a touch of culture and heritage. Maximize storage with modular cabinets. Opt for pull-out drawers, corner units, and tall pantry cupboards. Efficient storage solutions are key in maintaining a clutter-free kitchen. Indian kitchens often feature open shelving to display beautiful crockery and traditional utensils. Wooden shelves with intricate carvings can add a rustic charm to your space. Granite and marble countertops are popular in Indian kitchens for their durability and aesthetic appeal. These materials are perfect for handling the rigors of Indian cooking. Incorporate a dedicated spice rack within arm's reach of your cooking area. This will help you manage your spices efficiently and keep your kitchen organized. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the ambience. Use a combination of task lighting, ambient lighting, and decorative pendant lights to create a warm and inviting environment. Traditional Indian kitchens often have a cozy dining nook. Integrate a small seating area with a wooden or brass table and cushioned chairs to enjoy family meals. Indian cooking involves a lot of frying and grilling. Install a high-quality chimney or exhaust fan to keep your kitchen smoke-free and comfortable. Accessorize your kitchen with elements like clay pots, brass utensils, and colorful pottery. These not only enhance the decor but also bring a traditional touch. Consider using eco-friendly materials like bamboo or reclaimed wood for cabinets and shelves. Sustainability can blend seamlessly with Indian aesthetics. Finally, personalize your space with family heirlooms, photos, or hand-painted tiles. A touch of personal history makes your modular kitchen uniquely yours.